you want to dance, class?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, so all you have to do is to follow the rhythm system. Alright, I want you to dance. Okay, follow. have any idea from when you hear the proper body posture? Do you have any idea what is proper body posture?
No, teacher.
Alright, no. So now let's define what is proper body posture. Okay, everybody read.
Proper body posture.
Can you read louder?
Proper body posture. The correct alignment and position of the body while standing, sitting, or moving, so that the least strain is placed on the muscles, joints, ligaments, and bones.
Alright. Proper body posture, the class. Proper body posture is the correct alignment and position of our body while we are sitting, standing, or moving. So, means class is the way we hold our bodies, the way we balance for us to have what do you call it? To move efficiently. So every time we do an activity class, we should know how to hold, or we should know how to maintain our bodies para kay kung di ko kay for example, naglingkod ka. Naglingkod ka din. Then mo paglingkod is dili proper. So then possible nga magsakit ng likod. Tama?
Yes, teacher.
Have you ever experienced that, class?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, so that's why every time we do an activity or a simple task, we should maintain our proper body posture. Dapat sakto ang atong alignment and position sa atong body for us to avoid a back pain. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Nakasulay na ba mo nga yung sakit inyong kalawasan na wala mong taong itubuhat, galingkod na mo.
Yes, teacher.
That because naglingkod ka nga wala sa proper maunang sakit ng likod ng kalawasan nga wala ka busy. So now here are the three common or the common proper body postures that we perform every day or in our daily lives. So the first one is everybody read?
Sitting.
Yes, sitting. So the first common proper body posture, class, is sitting. So class, I have a question. Have you ever tried sit for a long time?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. How do you feel, Kalapini, when you sit kanagdugay ka naglingkod?
Makapili ko kwa teacher ka na hawi ako hips.
Hawid mo ang hips. Then kanang unsay kuan mo kanang how you sit kanang kapuyod bitaw ka, nagkapuyod ka din. Kanang agiga ka trabaho din. Unsa may buhaton nimo sa lingkod ka, di ba?
Yes,
Dili
teacher.
ko din. Tungod sa imong kakapoy, so nine times nga mulingkod ka nga nag-lead proper, di ba? Tungod sa kakapoy. So mo na kuan dapat ka lang always importante kay class nga mulingkod ka kay mulingkod ta og tarong kanang mulingkod ang tarong ikuan na to ang ikorek na to ang gusto mo lingkod tao, can you show me how to sit properly? Okay? Alright? Is that how we sit properly? Kalapin, is that how we sit?
Yes, teacher.
Alright. So here are the proper body postures. Here are the proper postures in sitting. Everybody read.
Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed but not slouched.
Okay. Can you follow? Okay. Can you follow the picture? So the first step is keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed but not slouched. Okay. Is that how we sit, class? Okay. Can you follow the picture? Alright, and the next one, the second one is your feet should be flat on the floor. So, sit like this. So, dapat flat ang inyong tiil. Alright, very good. And the third one is knees should be at a right angle, level with slightly lower than your head. So, sit like this. So, your knees should at the right angle in a 90 degrees. Right? So in a 90 degrees. So, and the last one is everybody read.
Use a chair that supports the natural curve of your spine.
Alright, use a chair that support the natural curve of your spine. So just sit like this. Alright. So class, I have a question. Why is it important to sit properly? Yes? Exactly. Give Baldio. What a nice club. Do you know how to perform what a nice club, class?
No, teacher.
Okay. What a nice club goes like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What a nice answer, Baldio. Okay. Let's give Baldio a what a nice answer, Baldio. Okay, can you stand? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What a nice answer, Baldio. Alright. That's good. That's good. So, importante kay class nga, importante kay nga mo tarong taglingkod para dili magsakit atong likod or dapat maglingkod tarong nga ato ang likod is ay kanang importante mo lingkod. Then also is dapat dili ta lingkod kana especially kana kapuyon bitaw ta maski tungod sa kakapoy class maski sa kakapoy maglingkod ka okay ka nang tawag na kanang maglingkod ka nga anak ka nang dili ka maglingkod ka mag-anak dili ka maglingkod mag-anak maglingkod ka straight nga kanang tao nga proper body posture dapat ikuan imuhang paglingkod kani maglingkod ka o tarong para dili magsakit imuhang likod. So class, walang problema kung tayo ay nakaupo nakayuko. Kasi minsan, di ba? Nakayuko tayo kapag may ginagawa. Ngunit mga bata ay walang masamang nakayuko. Ngunit huwag natin ugaliin na palagi tayo nakayuko dahil ito ay nakakasama sa ating katawan at hindi maganda tingnan kung hindi maganda ang ating postura. Diba? Maganda ba tingnan si teacher na nakaupo ng paganito? Hindi ko maririnig. Again, maganda ba tingnan si teacher na nakaupo ng paganito? How about ganito nakaupo si teacher? How about naman ganito? Yes, maganda. May kaibahan talaga na nakaupo. May kaibahan talaga na nakaupo tayo ng maganda at nakaupo try standing for a long time, class?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Can you tell me? Mong ka, kanusa man na itabungan, nagtindog kag dugay.
One teacher na naman pinakasamuan na naman.
Sa bus?
Hindi teacher na naman pinapirmahan sa register na teacher.
Yes! Yes! Minsan nga kasi dahil sa mahabang pila dahil sa mahabang pila, nakatayo kayo. So, minsan ay mapipil natin na ang pagod at pananakit ng ating katawan. So, ano pa? Ano pa yes, kalapinin na nasubukan mo na bang tumayo ng matagal? Saan ang
Teacher, during flag ceremony.
During flag ceremony. Yes, during flag ceremony, di ba? Ilan pang minuto mag-aantay at magsisimula ang ating flag ceremony? At napakatagal natin tumayo sa labas. Si teacher din mga bata, kahit si teacher nagtuturo. Di ba? Nakikita niyo si teacher na nagtuturo. Kahit masakit na ang mga paa ni teacher, ay nanatili pa rin si teacher na tumayo at minintili teacher ang magandang postura. Kahit masakit na ang dalawang paa ni teacher, di ba? So nakikita niyo na kahit pagod tayo ay ugaliin natin na tumayo ng maayos upang maganda tingnan ang ating postura. Pasensya. Okay? So, everybody read.
Stand upright with your shoulders back and relaxed. Keep your head level and in line with your body. Distribute your weight evenly on both feet. Keep your knees slightly bent, not locked.
Alright, so, okay, can you stand? Okay, so the first is stand upright. So, tumayo ng maayos and relax your shoulder. Not like this. Okay, just stand like this. And the second one is keep your head.
Level and line with your body.
Yes, just like this. And the third one is
Distribute your
everybody read. Again. Why are you talking? Again, distribute.
Distribute your weight evenly on both feet.
Alright, distribute. So just like this, stand like this, and your feet. And the last one is
Keep your knees slightly bent, not locked.
okay. So kung tumayo kayo mga bata, wag pagganto. Pagganto. Tumayo kayo na matuwid. So just like that. So, follow the teacher. Alright, so thank you. This is it. So, now, naintindihan niyo na ba kung ano ang proper body posture of standing class?
Teacher.
Alright. So, napakahalaga natin, ugaliin natin na tumayo, ibalanse ang ating pangangatawan upang ito ay maganda tingnan at upang maiwasan natin na sumakit ang ating mga katawan, ang ating katawan. Tama? Now, naintindihan niyo na ba? Okay, stop laughing, class. Okay, naintindihan niyo na ba mga bata kung ano ang proper body posture? the Pinipad class. Alright, now, who can tell me what is proper body posture? If you are really listening, hindi mo na ako minasabtan kung saan ang proper body posture. Yes, me?
Teacher, proper body posture is the correct alignment and position of the body.
Yes, proper body posture is the alignment and position of our body. And who can tell me the three common of proper body posture? Yes, Hannah.
So the three proper body posture are sitting, walking, and standing.
Alright, give Hannah a quick clap. Alright, now I have a question, class. Why is it important? Why is it important to have a proper body posture? Ano importante man ang proper body posture, class? Yes, Chati?
So it is important to value the proper body posture, teacher, for us to para ma-aware ta na dili magsakit atong likod, dili magsakit atong tigil, na teacher.
Alright, what else? Yes? Binya.
Teacher, ang kaibigan din na teacher is, for example, is mag-input ka, so dapat kuwan ka ng sampo imong mangko, kuwan teacher para dili sakit imong mangko.
posture ba siya?